Students, now let us look at the concept of spot purchase. This is very common in the contracting theory and contracting mechanisms in supply chain. What is a spot purchase? Retailers actually look for additional supply in the open market and may use independent e-markets or private e-markets to select some manufacturer or suppliers. What is the basic concept about spot purchase? Every retailer or most of the retailers would have the option of spot purchase. What is this? It might happen that you have hedged to two manufacturers for your total supply. One is your preferred manufacturer who will provide 80% of the supplies. And there is another backup manufacturer who actually provides 30% of the supply. Why you hedge on lesser number of manufacturers? The point is you want to have a quality in your supplies, you want to have the conformity and consistency in the supplies. You actually do not want to have drastic variations in your product. Now what happens? The preferred manufacturer was able to provide you with 65% of the supplies rather than providing 70% of the supplies. Now, the position would be such that you have to buy 5% of your supplies from some other manufacturer. Now, you do not have the situation here would be now you do not have the lead time with you, because the lead time has actually been taken up by the preferred manufacturer. So what will happen? You would have 5%, you need to buy 5% of that supplies from the open market. It is similar to buying from the retail outlet at a very high price. But in order to conform with the quantity level, you will do it. So what actually happens, you have to go to a spot market. Spot market means to a manufacturer who can expedite those 5% of your supplies. He will provide you this 5% of supplies within very negligible lead time, but he would be charging a very high price. High price means eventually those 5% of supplies might be going at a break-even level. You would not be making a profit for those supplies. So spot market is actually important, especially for those companies or brands whose goodwill is very important for them. They do not want their customers to have stockouts. Focus of a spot purchase is to use the marketplace to find new suppliers as well. It actually gives you the backup suppliers, forcing competition to reduce product price. It also provides you with the mechanism that in future you can actually cut down the price which the manufacturer is quoting, because now you have some manufacturer who can provide you on the spot. But at the same time, you can use that manufacturer as one of the backup manufacturers. So if during a usual lead time he can provide you a less cost, you can actually compare it with your preferred manufacturer and ask your manufacturer to cut the cost as well. Thank you.